The AI landscape in 2026 has completely shifted. Beat. It's no longer just about raw computing power anymore. Today, it's entirely about specialized, seamless workflow integration. Welcome to the deep dive.
Yeah, we're really glad you're tuning in with us today. We have a massive, fascinating topic to unpack.
We're breaking down the definitive March 2026 Big 5 AI chatbots. We want to stop you from picking your AI at random.
Seriously, so many people just kind of guess when they subscribe. They kick one chatbot and get frustrated very quickly. Today, we're looking at ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and Grok.
These tools aren't really direct competitors to each other anymore. They've evolved into highly focused specialists in their own fields. Imagine a surgeon, a lawyer, a researcher, and a journalist. Throw a reliable Swiss Army knife in there, too.
Yeah, and they're all sitting together in the exact same room. You just need to know exactly who to ask. You wouldn't ask a surgeon to fix your kitchen plumbing.
Right, and you wouldn't ask a lawyer for medical advice. That's exactly how you need to view these AI models. Let's start with that ultimate Swiss Army knife first. I'm talking about ChatGPT, built by the team at OpenAI.
It really is an absolute global utility right now. It boasts 900 million weekly active users today.
And 2.5 billion daily conversations happen there. That scale of human interaction is just visually staggering. Think about what that actually means for global productivity.
But here's where we need to be very clear. It's not a highly focused, specialized expert in one field. It's more like your incredibly reliable first-week employee.
It handles almost every single everyday task quite well. It just doesn't excel perfectly at highly niche jobs.
Exactly. Though its mobile voice chat is truly unmatched, it legitimately feels like talking to another real human.
It's perfect for hands-free brainstorming on a long walk. You completely forget you're talking to a digital robot. You can just bounce ideas around naturally and freely.
And the third-party app integrations are absolutely huge now. It connects natively with popular apps like Canva and Notion.
It also integrates beautifully with Instacart and Apple Music. If your daily workflow touches multiple apps, it's a central hub. You can ask it to plan a whole dinner party.
Right, and it builds the recipes and connects to Instacart. It actually loads up your grocery delivery cart automatically. Plus, they have these early-stage agents running right now.
They literally spin up a virtual browser in the background. Then they click around to complete multi-step tasks for you. It's kind of like having an invisible intern doing the clicking.
It's still early tech, but it works surprisingly well. It remains a top choice for general creative content work. You can brainstorm, write, edit, and outline very easily.
The Plus plan costs you $20 a month. It's definitely the safest default choice for most casual users.
It makes total sense if you only want one tool. Power users can always pay $200 for the Pro tier.
But don't expect it to be the best at specialized tasks. Bring in a dedicated specialist when the job demands it. That's the real beauty of the Swiss Army knife model.
Most people don't need a dedicated specialist every single day. They just need a reliable all-rounder that won't fail them. ChatGPT perfectly fills that necessary everyday utility role. Beat.
Why do people expect ChatGPT to be perfect at absolutely everything?
Because it was the very first major tool we all used. We project our ultimate sci-fi AI fantasies onto it constantly.
We expect perfection because it was our first magic trick. So if ChatGPT is the reliable jack of all trades, what happens when you actually need a true master?
That's exactly where you hit the ChatGPT performance ceiling. Then you graduate to Claude for your serious deep work.
Let's unpack Claude, built by the team over at Anthropic. It's quietly built a fiercely loyal user base recently. It's the absolute gold standard for developers and deep researchers.
Writers who do serious, document-heavy work absolutely love it too. It's highly respected among professionals doing deep work daily. The new internal benchmarks are incredibly impressive to see.
Claude 4.5 Opus currently leads the coding benchmarks. It hits a 76.8% problem resolution rate.
That's specifically on the rigorous SWE bench evaluation framework. It's basically a tough, real-world software engineering test. It completely outperforms the baseline GPT-5 variants across the board.
Its file handling capability is truly unmatched right now. You can upload up to 20 massive files at once.
You can drop in PDFs, CSVs, HTML, and Markdown docs. It also handles raw code files without any real issues.
It reads and cross-references all of them perfectly together. Other chatbots usually slow down or lose track of context. It's like stacking Lego blocks of data to build an expert.
But Claude handles massive context windows effortlessly every single time. The projects feature makes this integration even more powerful.
You can organize your conversations into dedicated project folders. Each folder gets its own persistent custom knowledge base.
This is a total game changer for managing multiple freelance clients. You dump client documents in, and it becomes an instant expert.
And then there's the crazy Mac computer use feature. Anthropic refers to this capability internally as cowork.
It actually acts as an agent with direct desktop access. It opens local apps and organizes your messy local files.
It moves documents around and navigates like a personal assistant. It's literally co-working alongside you on your own screen.
But there's a massive catch we absolutely must discuss here. The usage limits on Claude are extremely painfully strict.
Yeah, the $20 Pro plan is essentially a trap. Power users hit their weekly usage ceiling in mere days.
Once you hit the limit, your access is blocked entirely. It stays completely blocked until the next reset period begins.
I still wrestle with hitting those usage limits right in the middle of deep work myself. You hit a wall, and it's deeply frustrating. 2-sec silence.
This happens so often when reviewing long documents or coding. You realistically need the $100 Max 5X plan.
That's really the only way to do serious daily work. There's also a $200 Max 20X Enterprise tier.
Another crucial detail is that it has absolutely no image generation. It's an entirely text-focused AI platform right now.
Does this strict usage limit destroy the cost-to-value ratio for users?
Yes, completely. Unless you analyze massive documents daily, you're overpaying wildly.
Value drops sharply unless you analyze heavy documents daily. So Claude is great for solo deep work. But what if your work lives entirely inside a corporate ecosystem?
That brings us perfectly to Gemini from Google. It's genuinely the best overall value on this entire list.
But that's only true if you live inside Google's ecosystem. Gemini is much better than a simple chatbot interface.
It acts as the intelligent AI layer across Google's entire ecosystem. That deep integration makes it genuinely different from all competitors.
If you use Gmail or Chrome daily, it's already there. It helps you draft quick replies and summarize long threads.
Inside Google Docs, it can write and format on command. You can restructure whole documents with a single, simple prompt.
You also access it directly from the Chrome address bar. And we absolutely have to mention the amazing Notebook LM feature.
Notebook LM conducts deep research across hundreds of your uploaded documents. It builds cited summaries and incredible AI-generated audio podcasts.
It literally discusses your own research documents back to you. There's also the Flow video creation tool integrated now. It generates production-quality video output very quickly and easily.
Plus, most subscriptions include a Google One AI Premium plan. This gives you greatly expanded cloud storage space automatically.
The multimodal abilities are totally unrivaled right now. It has best-in-class image and video generation tools built right in.
The Nano Banana Pro 2 model is truly visually stunning. You can create polished visual assets and edit professional photos.
It handles complex infographics with clean, readable text perfectly. It also features a staggering 1 million token context window.
What exactly is a context window for our listeners?
How much data the AI remembers in a single conversation.
Whoa, imagine dropping hundreds of research reports into one chat. You put them all in without it forgetting a thing.
It never forgets a single detail. It gives me chills just thinking about that scale. 2-sec silence. But we definitely need to mention the hallucination rate here.
Yeah, it sometimes fails quite badly on strict factual queries. You must double-check time-sensitive or accuracy-critical information, always.
The standard Pro plan is $20 a month. The Ultra plan is $250 monthly.
Ultra is really meant for heavy, dedicated enterprise users. Just don't treat Gemini as just another simple ChatGPT alternative.
You have to use it inside Gmail and Docs for maximum value. Should we rely on Gemini for facts or just creative output?
You should use it primarily for creative output and ecosystem drafting. You always need to verify its facts closely.
Great for ecosystem drafting, but terrible for unchecked factual research. We're going to take a quick break right here.
Mid-roll sponsor read provided separately.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've covered the generalists and the document heavyweights. Now we're shifting over to Perplexity.
Perplexity is the definitive research specialist on the market today. Many industry people call it the absolute Google search killer.
It replaces traditional web search with something much, much smarter. It pulls real-time information directly from the live web.
It returns a polished, fully cited answer almost instantly. It acts like a dedicated research assistant working tirelessly for you.
It's built entirely around real-time, trustworthy source citations. This specifically helps combat those infamous, frustrating AI hallucinations.
Every single generated statement is linked directly to a real source. You can easily hover over statements to verify them instantly.
In a world of misleading AI, fast fact-checking is absolutely crucial. This makes it utterly perfect for working journalists and students.
The really big secret weapon for 2026 is Comet. It's a completely free, full AI-powered web browser.
It's built right on Chromium for maximum web compatibility. That's the open source code behind most standard web browsers. So it works flawlessly on Mac, Windows, and Android devices.
It moves way beyond just chatting with an AI assistant. It interacts directly with the actual web pages you visit.
It fills out complex, annoying web forms automatically for you. It even books professional appointments autonomously without any human friction.
It handles these multi-step tasks better than ChatGPT or Claude. And Comet is absolutely free on all their plan tiers.
The free tier handles most everyday research perfectly well. It compares consumer products and summarizes complex topics beautifully.
There's really no need for the $17 Pro plan, unless deep academic research is your full-time daily job.
There's also a niche max plan for heavy enterprise users. It runs about $167 annually.
Just remember, it's definitely not for creative writing or coding work. It's strictly a focused tool for finding verifiable facts.
Why do real-time citations matter so much when researching complex topics?
Because without them, you're blindly trusting a machine to confidently invent facts.
Citations stop us from trusting an overly confident inventing machine. So Perplexity is strictly for polished, verifiable facts. But what if you actually want unfiltered opinions?
That brings us to our final chatbot in the Big Five. We're talking about Grok, the trend tracker with serious attitude.
Grok is built by Elon Musk's AI company, xAI. It lives entirely inside the X or Twitter social ecosystem.
It's intentionally designed to be highly opinionated and irreverent. It styles itself as a bold, truth-seeking rebel.
It certainly doesn't fear engaging with very edgy political topics. It will openly discuss things other models strictly filter out.
We're just impartially reporting its design personality here for you. We aren't taking sides or endorsing this specific behavior.
Absolutely. It's just important to know how the tool is built. Its primary professional advantage is entirely technical and unique. It has an exclusive live data connection right to X.
It tracks breaking global news and viral moments in real time. It monitors the actual live pulse of public discourse instantly.
Other AI tools rely mostly on static, older training data. Grok taps directly into the live stream of human posts.
This is purpose-built for social media managers and digital marketers. It's perfect for anyone building content around fast-moving trends.
You can just ask it what is trending right now. It pulls context from X in real time perfectly.
It helps you build fresh content around a viral cultural moment. It already knows the joke without any long explanations.
The personality is genuinely different from the other standard models. It's much chattier, more casual, and highly provocative by design.
It's obviously not ideal for writing a polished business report, but it's excellent for very casual, fast-paced brainstorming sessions.
It also features the brand new Imagine video generation tool. The visual quality of the generated video is actually awesome.
But the generated sound is currently completely unusable in practice. It also really needs better start-to-end frame controls eventually.
The output duration limits definitely need future improvement as well. The basic free tier is simply called X Basic.
It's a highly useful little add-on for casual daily users. SuperGrok costs $30 a month for full system access.
X Premium Plus is $40 for network priority access. SuperGrok Heavy is $300 for massive enterprise throughput.
You should only pay for Grok if real-time tracking is necessary. Definitely do not use it for precise technical coding work.
What's the professional benefit of AI accessing live social media data?
It provides the absolute latest context on breaking cultural moments instantly.
It provides instant context on breaking news before search engines. Let's bring all of this massive information together now.
We really need to look at the big picture here.
The defining feature of 2026 is definitely agentic autonomy.
What is agentic autonomy in plain terms?
Models acting on your behalf to finish multi-step digital chores.
They interact directly with your local files and your browser. They've moved completely beyond just simply chatting with you.
Here's a highly actionable, practical strategy for you to follow. Do not pay for multiple $20 monthly subscriptions anymore.
Right. Start wasting your hard-earned money on redundant tools. Subscribe to one main AI brain that fits your specific workflow.
You can easily survive on the free tiers for everything else. Use Gemini for your casual daily image generation needs.
And use Perplexity Comet for all your deep web search. You should let your actual daily workflow choose the AI.
Please do not let the hype cycle dictate your software choices. If you code heavily every day, budget for Claude Max.
If you live deep in Google Docs, pay for Gemini Pro. If you just want a simple all-rounder, choose ChatGPT.
Managing several different AI subscriptions can become expensive and very complicated. But there's another really practical solution available right now.
You can just use an all-in-one AI hub platform. These platforms aggregate multiple top models into a single, clean interface.
Hub platforms like Arena.ai are absolutely perfect for this. You access all the major heavyweight models from one dashboard.
You get ChatGPT using the powerful GPT 5.4 model. You get Gemini running the highly capable 3.1 Pro model.
You also get the brilliant Claude Opus 4.6 thinking model. And Grok 4.2 year beta is readily available right there too.
They have a truly brilliant side-by-side prompt comparison feature. You send one single prompt to two different models simultaneously.
You can compare their generated answers side by side very easily. You don't even have to switch messy browser tabs anymore.
For most regular people, starting with free tiers is definitely smartest. Pay only when the free version finally runs out.
Why is proper workflow integration more important than choosing the smartest model?
Because a brilliant AI that doesn't connect to your daily tools is completely useless.
An isolated AI just adds frustrating friction to your routine. Let's wrap up this huge topic. 2-sec silence.
We really want to leave you with a provocative thought today.
2026 is the year these tools shifted dramatically in scope. They moved from chatting to autonomously acting on our computers.
They navigate web browsers and click buttons entirely on their own.
When the AI is the one clicking the buttons, what is your true value in the workflow?
It's a massive existential question we all must face eventually. We really want you to audit your own workflow this week.
Try swapping out your default chatbot for a focused specialist. Find the exact one that actually matches your daily tasks.
Stop choosing your professional tools at random based on internet hype. We sincerely hope this breakdown helps you make better choices.
Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. We'll see you on the next deep dive.